today we're going to start off by talking about your competitors. So, do you guys ever feel like you are falling behind your competitors right now during COVID or maybe even before the pandemic hit? So, I'm sure, as you guys know, the really big challenge with Amazon is once you have fallen behind your competitors when it comes to rankings or your sales or your reviews, it's super challenging to one, recover, but even more challenging to come out on top. So, based on our team's experiences, the best Amazon brands are, doing the usual practices, right? They're driving ranking using ranking strategies. They're growing sales by making sure they're always running promotions or running strategies that are boosting their sales. They're gaining more reviews by having consistent review strategies, having multiple review strategies in place. So, but what truly separates the big successful Amazon sellers versus those that are not as successful is if they are willing to send external traffic to Amazon in some fashion. So, when sending external traffic, it can be very overwhelming and complicated. And honestly, it can almost feel like where do I even start, right? So our team has actually found a tool that we think is going to be really helpful for you guys to start sending that external traffic. And that tool is called Portals by Helium 10. So what's really cool about Portals is it is a landing page software, but it's designed for Amazon brands. So if you guys have a ClickFunnels membership or any of those, obviously those are popular, right? Landing pages are popular, and in fact, our team uses ClickFunnels. But ClickFunnels are not built specifically for Amazon brands, right? They are just a landing page software. But what's really cool about Portals is it is specifically designed for Amazon sellers. So it's able to grab information from your Amazon listings and really simplify the process for Amazon brands, and obviously simplifies the process of sending traffic back to your Amazon listings. So through this feature, you're able to do all of the regular things you can do with landing page software. So you can do opt-ins, right? You can plug in different functions that are ready to drive sales. You're able to include thank you pages and obviously include many, many more features that can really help make this a strong tool for you to use to send your external traffic. So what can this tool be used for? So this can be used to drive external traffic from different areas like your social media. So maybe you guys have a really strong Instagram list, or not Instagram list, Instagram following, or maybe a really strong Facebook page, or you have really strong Facebook advertising, or maybe you're really great at Google advertising, right? So you can even use it for paid external ads, or you can even send your email list through this landing page, right? There are just so many different things you can do. We can't name them all on this call, but honestly, this software can really simplify it for you and push you to make sure you are not only participating in external strategies, but that you are taking full advantage of those strategies. So what's really great also is that using this tool through Helium 10, you are able to create multiple portals within it, and Helium 10 will host it for you. They'll go ahead and take care of that for you, which is really great. So what's really awesome, and again, we obviously are pretty consistently, promoting Helium 10, but that's because those are tools that we use every single day. So, this feature can also be paired with Helium 10 Gems tool, where you can input certain super URLs to not only drive external traffic, but also drive that external traffic to help with your overall ranking on Amazon, which obviously is crucial to being successful on Amazon. Now, obviously, just having a landing page isn't going to just solve all your problems, right? External strategies are incredibly, challenging, and they make you think outside the box. And especially if Amazon is your soft spot, if that is where you are the best, then, external strategies can be really overwhelming. So if you have questions about external strategies or inputting portals into your external strategies arsenal, please reach out to our team because we're here to help you guys with that. So reach out to our team at turnkeyproductmanagement.com/talk just to chat with us about external strategies and how they can really help grow your sales on Amazon, your ranking on Amazon, and then obviously with sales, with ranking, reviews are going to come as well, which will help you beat out your competitors. Now, that's all I have today, guys, on external strategies. Thank you guys so much for listening today. I appreciate it, and I will be back here next week chatting with you then. See ya.